In today's video, I'm going to teach you Method 1. Use Unicode or Markdown style bold. If you've ever wanted certain words to stand out in a form but don't see a bold button, this method gives you a clean, reliable workaround. We'll open your form, choose where you want emphasis, type text using bold Unicode characters, and then copy and paste that bold text right into your title, description, or question. Start by opening your form in your browser so you're looking at the editor. Make sure you're on the form you want to adjust. Nothing fancy here. Just get the form open and ready so you can make quick edits without jumping between tabs. Next, decide where the bold text should live. If you want it in the header area, look to the right side vertical toolbar and click Add Title and Description. That places your cursor in the form's main title or description field. If you want to emphasize text inside a specific question instead, simply click the question card itself. That opens the editable text field for that question, so you can work directly where the text will appear. Now in the text field, type your content using bold Unicode characters. These are special characters that look bold even without a formatting button. For example, this is bold. If you don't already have bold Unicode on hand, a quick Unicode text converter can help you generate it from regular text. Just make sure the result is the bold-looking version you want before you continue. Remember, you're not applying a style. You're actually using characters that appear bold by design. Once your bold Unicode text looks right, copy it and paste it exactly where you want it: the form title, the description, or the question text. You'll see the bold effect immediately. If it lands in the wrong spot, simply paste it again in the correct field. Because these are characters, not styling, what you paste is what you'll see on the live form. A few tips as you finish up. Use bold Unicode sparingly so your form stays readable and professional. Save it for headings, key instructions, or crucial labels. Most modern devices display these characters well, but if you notice any odd boxes or missing glyphs, swap to a simpler bold Unicode set or keep that section in plain text. Markdown-style asterisks, like typing 2 stars around a word, typically won't convert to bold in form fields, so relying on Unicode characters is the safer path. And before you share the form, use the preview to confirm everything looks consistent on desktop and mobile. That's it. Simple, effective emphasis using bold Unicode wherever you need it.